Wisconsin doesn't hide its LLC rules. It just assumes you already understand them. Most people don't. I'm Bethany from BizBuilders. And if you're starting an LLC in Wisconsin in 2026 without a lawyer, this is the detail that almost never gets explained clearly, even though it affects every LLC long-term. Because Wisconsin isn't tricky, it's quietly procedural. Why Wisconsin feels straightforward on the surface. Wisconsin looks clean. Simple filing. Reasonable fees. No dramatic barriers. So founders think, okay, this seems easy enough. And it is, if you already know what to track. That's the catch. The detail nobody explains. Here's what most people don't get up front. Wisconsin expects ongoing accuracy and follow-through without reminders. Things like annual report timing, registered agent accuracy, keeping LLC information current. Wisconsin doesn't chase you aggressively. It expects you to stay organized on your own. Miss that, and your LLC slowly slips out of good standing. How people realize too late. This is how it usually shows up. A form gets rejected unexpectedly. A bank asks for current records. A contract requires proof of good standing. You realize something expired months ago. Nothing explodes. But now you're fixing instead of building. That's the Wisconsin reality. The right way to handle Wisconsin. Short. If you want Wisconsin to stay easy, you need one mindset. Treat compliance like a routine, not a reaction. Here's the clean setup. 1. Choose your business name. 2. Appoint a registered agent with a physical Wisconsin address. 3. File your articles of organization. 4. Get your EIN 5 track. Wisconsin's annual report requirement from day 1, 6. Keep all LLC info current. Immediately, 7. Maintain a clean business bank account. Wisconsin rewards consistency. Why this costs time if you ignore it. When details are missed, fixes take longer than expected. Status restoration slows momentum. Simple tasks turn into admin work. And all of it could have been avoided with structure. Why I don't leave this to memory, that's why I recommend Taylor Brands for Wisconsin. Not because filing is complicated, but because remembering every small requirement is unreliable. They help with registered agent filing EIN compliance reminders, keeping everything current banking prep. If you want this handled properly without guessing, I've put the link in the description. Final line. Wisconsin doesn't surprise you with big rules. It tests whether you'll stay consistent with small ones. Handle that, and Wisconsin stays one of the smoother states to run an LLC. I'll see you in the next one.